Good morning, traders. It's Wednesday, May 7, 2025. Today marks the conclusion of the Federal Open Market Committee, or the FOMC, with a policy statement and press conference scheduled this afternoon, and we also have crude oil inventories. Yesterday, ES attempted to fill the low volume node below 5,633 during the global session, but only partially succeeding. However, absorption was observed below 5,610, leading to a reversal. The New York session saw a test of Monday's point of control, with the day closing below value. Indicating some indecision ahead of the FOMC announcement, let's dive into the key market development and what to watch for as we approach today's eventful day. On the 10-day volume profile, we can clearly see that we are trying to keep value above last period's range high at 5,562.25. Acceptance above this 5,672 POC cluster is necessary to demonstrate bullish strength. On the weekly volume profile, we see that ES attempted to fill this low volume node, but was unable to breach the lows at 5,601. Currently, we are trying to reclaim last week's value, aiming to surpass this critical 5,672.74 level. On the 2-hour delta chart, we saw that during the New York session, ES made efforts to move above the weekly VWAP, but faced serious resistance, closing within the low volume node. This suggests a lack of conviction among buyers ahead of the FOMC decision. As far as TPOs go, the ES attempted to reclaim Monday's point of control, but encountered selling pressure right here, leaving excess on an otherwise balanced profile. An open above 5,655 would indicate active bulls, while a failure to hold 5,607 could signal further downside. And on the 1-hour chart, we can see that the market is exhibiting a narrow range indicative of indecision before the FOMC announcement. A 5-day range between 5,600 and 5,725 has formed. Traders should be cautious of false breakouts and avoid trading in the middle of this range. As for a game plan, my line in the sand today will be 5,600, while the bull targets are 5,666, 5,707 and 5,748. As bear targets, we have 5,584, 5,544 and at last 5,503. So guys, with FOMC decision and Powell's press conference on the horizon, some volatility is expected. It's prudent to exercise caution and avoid significant positioning until the market digests the Fed's announcement. Stay informed and trade wisely. We'll be back tomorrow with a post-FOMC market analysis. So until then, as always, like, subscribe, join the Discord, get the free newsletter, and I will see you tomorrow.